Marshmallow Roasting, a tasty guide. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a deliciously fun topic: marshmallow roasting. Whether you're sitting around a campfire or using a kitchen appliance, roasting marshmallows is a popular activity across various cultures. It's not just about cooking, it's an experience that brings people together. Let's explore what makes marshmallow roasting so special and how you can enjoy it too. Marshmallow roasting involves cooking marshmallows over an open flame until they are golden brown. This simple activity is more than just a way to make a sweet treat. It's a cherished tradition for camping trips, backyard gatherings, and family events. The goal is to achieve a crispy exterior with a gooey, melted interior. To roast marshmallows, you only need a few basic tools. Marshmallows. These soft, white treats are the star of the show. A heat source. This can be a campfire, barbecue grill, or even a candle. Roasting sticks or skewers. Long, metal skewers or wooden sticks are used to hold the marshmallows over the flame. Ensure your roasting tools are safe and appropriate for the setting, especially if you're around children. Roasting the perfect marshmallow requires patience and technique. Here are some steps to achieve that perfect roast. 1. Skewer your marshmallow. Place the marshmallow on the end of your skewer or stick. 2. Hold it above the flame. Instead of putting it directly in the fire, hold your marshmallow above the flames where the heat is less intense. 3. Rotate your marshmallow. Slowly rotate the stick to evenly roast all sides to a golden brown. 4. Safety first. Always be cautious to avoid burns or accidents. Once your marshmallow is roasted to perfection, it's time to enjoy. You can eat it straight off the skewer or use it to make a s'more, a sandwich made with graham crackers and a piece of chocolate, with the roasted marshmallow in the middle. Marshmallow roasting is more than just a way to make a snack. It's a fun activity that can be enjoyed in many different settings, creating memories and traditions. Whether you're an expert or trying it for the first time, the joy of roasting marshmallows is undeniable. We hope this guide inspires you to gather around a fire and make some delicious memories. Happy roasting!